Picture this, a world where physical objects spring to life from digital blueprints, where customization meets rapid prototyping. Welcome to the incredible realm of three-dimensional printing. In the blink of an eye, we've transitioned from simple two-dimensional prints to creating tangible, intricate designs with the power of technology. Consider the possibilities. Need a replacement part for your vintage car? Print it. Want a unique, personalized piece of jewelry? Design it and print it. From the automotive industry to the medical field, 3D printing is revolutionizing how we approach production and design. But why does this matter? It's not just about convenience. This technology is pushing boundaries, challenging our perceptions of what's possible. It's creating a world where anyone can become a creator, an innovator. It's a tool that's democratizing design and production, putting the power of creation in your hands. So next time you see a three-dimensional object, remember, it could have been printed. And with 3D printing, the only limit is your imagination. Welcome to the future, where dreams take shape with the press of a button.